I will go over how to find and book a tutor on Spark. Let's say I'm a parent or student. I click the tutor tab at the top. I now see two options. I select Find a Tutor. The first thing I notice is Search by Subject. I see ACT exam and many others. And notice if I can scroll internally to view more subject. I notice there is a View All filter button, so I click it. I can search by city, name, email, tags, see tutors that are available for in person or virtual sessions. I can filter them by college, standardized test scores. I click other examinations and notice I can filter by graduate school exams as well. Not to mention, I can search by ratings. I scroll down and notice tutors from Harvard, Yale, Stanford, and Northwestern. On Linda's profile, I click the View All button to see all her subjects. I scroll down some more. Notice Natalia has rates for $70 for an hour and 45 for 30 minutes. I click those rates and book her instantly, but decide I want to look at her profile. On her profile, I notice her bio and that she is based in Berkeley, California, but available for virtual sessions. I want to schedule a free consultation before booking her, so I click Schedule Free Consultation. I see that she has a free initial consultation of 30 minutes, and she's available on January 4th. Perfect. I will schedule her for 1:30 p.m., but on second thought, she goes to Berkeley, so I am comfortable with not scheduling a free consultation, and I'd rather just book her for a 30-minute session. I notice that she charges $45. I select Wednesday, January 5th at 1 p.m. I enter my name and email address. I would rather do a virtual session. I click the notification tab and realize that these reminder options are great. I choose my payment method and click schedule meeting. Then I enter my payment information and click pay.